Guys, we got this Audi A3. It's 2006, and they said the battery dies, so I got my meter on here. We got a half an amp, 0.6 amps being drawn out of this battery right now. So then I'm going to grab my thermal camera and go around this car and see if we see anything hot. Guys, I tripped all the door latches, had the car powered down. I noticed that this works still here. I don't know what this is for. And our window switch works. See how hot this is.
Fucking hot.
Oh yeah, that's toasty. 100 and, let's see, it's still calculating. 115 degrees. Yeah, because I think our draw is 0.6 amps, so once you unplug it, because our radio wasn't staying. Oh, our draw just went away. Did you unplug it? Yeah, our draw went away because our radio and stuff wasn't hot, so our radio wasn't keeping it awake. Yeah, I think you got a bad amp. I wonder if they bridged something that caused an issue in this harness. Probably gotta take that tape off. That guy's right there. They had the sub wires all modified here, and I think that's probably killed this amp. Probably killed something here. Hope you guys like it. See you later.